Welcome to Monday's workshop session. Today, we are taking a massive detour from our gritty action series and stepping right inside the campy, nostalgic castle walls of the 1971 Canadian cult classic, The Hilarious House of Frightenstein. As the LaserPecker etches the smoke rising from the cauldron, we are capturing the chaotic energy of Grizelda, the Ghastly Gourmet, whipping up a nightmare meal. Played brilliantly by the legendary Billy Van, Grizelda was the show's lone female character. But here is a piece of rare trivia for the ultimate monster fans. Before the cameras ever rolled, the show was originally pitched and developed as an animated cartoon series before turning into live-action sketch comedy gold. While Grizelda throws a random eggshell or a tennis ball into her potion, we are engraving her loyal assistant Igor right inside his portrait frame. The deep contrast on his mustache and classic worried expression perfectly balances out the comic strip panel aesthetic. She may be about to crack her face straight into that low-hanging overhead brass plate, but this custom coaster is a total hit. Let me know your favorite Frightenstein character in the comments below. Lock in your subscribe button, and work safe.